welcome to Ask Klein Math. Today we're going to talk about A.5A, and we are going to talk about the use of technology to justify your answer. Specifically, we're going to talk about using the TI Nspire to solve your answer after you've already checked. Here are the answers that we have been given for this, and notice that they are all in fraction form. We are going to go to our Nspire calculator and click over here where it will go take you to your scratch pad. Now, since we're going to ask the calculator to do the math for us, the only way to get the calculator to do that is to go click here on the menu button. And that menu button will give you a menu that will allow you to do the algebra through the calculator. So here, if you click that, you'll see a drop down, and we're going to choose the algebra button. And then after choosing that, you will see numerical solve. By clicking on that and then typing in your equation exactly as is, I know in Desmos we do use the tilde version, but for this you are going to use an equal sign. Be very careful when you are typing this in. If it says 7W minus 2, use the minus sign on your keypad, not the negative sign which has parentheses. Same in the middle here. If it's a minus 9, make sure that you're using the subtraction and the minus here. And just double check that you're not using the negative, which has parentheses on the button. Now, if I were to leave it just like this, you're going to see that an error will pop up. The calculator needs you to tell it what variable you're solving for. So I'm going to click OK, and I put a comma and a W. It's very important that that comma W is, that tells the calculator exactly what you're solving for. When you do that, you get a rounded version of the decimal, negative 2.30769. And if you remember correctly, our answer choices were all in fraction form. So I need to keep going, and I need to let the calculator do some more math for me. So since I want the calculator to do the math, I'm going to go down here to menu, click menu. And this time I'm going to go to number, not the algebra, but number, because I want to take my number and approximate it to a fraction. When I do that, this is what is pasted onto my screen. And then when I hit enter, it's going to convert it to a fraction. And my fraction is negative 30 over 13. That was one of my original answer choices. And in fact, I just justified, using a different method, my solution to the equation. Thank you for joining me, and come back soon.